How to oil a paper shredder. Over time, paper shredders get shredded paper dust particles that build up within the shredding gears. This buildup can cause the shredder to slow down and not work properly. Therefore, all paper shredders need to be oiled. Properly oiling your shredder is one of the most important steps you can take in order to preserve your shredder. Neglecting this step will directly shorten the overall lifespan of your shredder. In this video, we will go over the 2 most effective methods to oil your shredder. It's very important to make sure you use actual shredder oil. You can find various types of actual shredder oil on our website, whitakerbrothers.com, or by clicking the link in the description. Never use WD-40 oil from an aerosol can to oil your shredder. We can't stress this enough. Using WD-40 or another aerosol lubricant to oil a paper shredder could start a fire or cause your machine to explode. Some shredder oil is specifically made for larger commercial shredders that use an auto-oiling system, while others have a nozzle top that is used to pour oil manually. The first method is indirect oiling method. This is where you apply shredder oil onto a piece of paper. We recommend doing this on top of a few sheets of paper to avoid the oil from leaking through and causing a mess. Insert the sheet of paper into the shredder, then run the shredder in reverse for a few seconds. This ensures that all of the shredder's gears get coated with oil. It's recommended that larger crosscut shredders are oiled about every 30 minutes of use, and high security shredders are oiled every 15 minutes of use. If you're not sure when to oil your machine, we recommend that when the bag in your shredder is full and needs to be changed out, that's also a good time to oil it. The second method is the direct oiling method. This is where you directly apply the oil onto the shredder's gears. Shred a few pieces of scrap paper, then run the shredder in reverse for a few seconds. That's all there is to it. That's how you oil a paper shredder. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our channel and check out whitakerbrothers.com.